Good morning and welcome to America's Home Cooking. I'm making a maple syrup pie, but I need to make a crust first, and this crust is going to take a time because it has to chill and all. So there's going to be two parts to it. We'll do the filling after, but I'm going to do the crust right now. We need 2.5 cups. Now we're going to be using a food processor. This is exactly what they were telling us we have to use. So we need 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour. We are going to need a teaspoon of salt. And we're going to need 1 teaspoon of sugar. We're going to pulse this. This is exactly what they're telling us to do. I've never done one like this, so this is different for me. A tablespoon of wheat. They want 1/4 pound of butter, which is 1 stick, and they say distribute it. And that's what they're saying, distribute it around. They want you to just cut it like in 1/2 inch cubes. That's the best I can do. And also 1/2 cup of shortening. It's in the refrigerator. They want it cold too. And they say distribute it around before we even turn it on. That's what they want us to do. And this crust is called 1/2 and 1/2 Flaky Pie Crust. Well, that's the name of it. I told you the pie I was making. I forgot to tell you the crust that I'm making. But it'll be in the title. Now they say pulse till it's the size of peas. Okay. Okay. Now what do they want me to do? Sprinkle 6 tablespoons of ice water evenly over the flour mixture and pulse. Okay. I need a tablespoon. And here's 6 of them. Spread it around. It said to tell No dry flour remains and the dough begins to clump together in small balls. They said if the mixture is too dry to be pressed into a dough with your fingers, sprinkle on the remaining 2 tablespoons of water. Okay. I got it. You could see it. You saw how I did it. All right. Okay. I know what I have to do now. So I can sort of put things out of my way. They actually want you to lay out plastic wrap. Some of the pitfalls of plastic wrap. It's good for some things, and then other things I could just scream about. There. They want you to divide the dough in half, wrap each one individually. And so I'm going to get it out and divide it. So if your dough is still dry, add another 2 tablespoons of water. Mine is just fine. I'm just trying to get it out right now. As you see how mine looks. Now they want half. Put it into a disc, wrap it up, and we're going to get it in the refrigerator. It's going to be in the refrigerator for a while before we get to it. This is just going to be part 1, the crust, and then we'll make the pie. This is really tacky, so I guess that's why they want it really cold. Just want to get into the refrigerator and I'll be right back. See, I'm plugging all my recipes. No, we're not ready for that part. Okay, they're going to be in the refrigerator for a while. Okay, so this will be part 1. And then we'll move to part 2. See you then.